Hey everybody, here in this video, we will look at how to work with Academic Planner. Academic Planner is very important aspect of day-to-day learnings and the complete learning management system. So let's look at that. So here I have logged in as a faculty member, and if you could see in my right hand side in my subject, I can see a class. I can see a subject called KED3, which has been assigned me as a part of the demo class. So let's focus on KED3. It's a demo class. So if I go here and clicked on subjects, I could see that subject. So let's just first the first step is check the subject. So yeah, this is my subject KED 3. The first thing I need to check is that the subject should assign to me, and the total teaching hours should be allocated to this subject. This is the first step. Okay, so why this is important? This is important in order to have a proper numbers, proper data, as in when we move progress into the semester or the year. So 28 hours, it means throughout the semester, I'm going to have 28 hours to complete this subject. It could be a 30, it could be 64 as per the subject. Okay, so just an example, I've taken 28 hours for this subjects. This is a teaching hours. Okay, so in case of in a semester pattern, if we have 16 week and every week we have a 2 lectures, so it means 16 into 2, 32 hours. So generally the subject hours is assigned. So this is like a benchmark number. It could be a plus or minus hours to in order to complete this subject. So we have to have a benchmark. Without benchmark, it would be difficult for us to track how many hours we have allocated so far uh, for this subject, and whether we are on a right track, or how much we are how extra we need extra hours, and how much we are under allocation. All these are very much important, and this is very important number for that. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now let's go to this top menu, and let's directly go to this academic planner. So let's just go there. Well, so here I will select my class, the demo class, and I will select my subject CAD 3. And here in my left hand side, I will see entire syllabus, entire CAD syllabus. Okay, so how to get the syllabus, how to have my subject map with the syllabus, that we will cover in another video. By the way, there is a button called change mapping. Here using this mapping, you can change your mapping for your subject with the syllabus repository. This is a syllabus repository. So there's entire different topics, how to create a syllabus repository and how to use a syllabus repository. We'll cover in another video. uh, as a part of this video, let's just focus on academic planner. So let's assume that my subject is already attached with a particular syllabus repository, particular course and course subject, and therefore I have these all subjects here. Sorry, all topics here, or chapter and topics. And this is in right hand side. I could see my semester start from August 2020, September 2020, and so on and so forth. Okay, I could see that with 21 number of topics are there. Nothing has been planned, nothing has been covered so far. So let's get started. Okay, so let me go to the month of November. I need to click here. These are the buttons. Okay, so I need to click here November 20. So if I click there, I can see that nothing has been planned as the month of November. The total plan hours is 0, and the timetable hours is 4. So 4 hours. So how I get it? Basically, my coordinator has assigned 4 hours as a part of November, and if I clicked on December, uh, he has assigned 10 hours as a part of December. So in November, I need to cover 4 hours of work, and December, I will cover 10 hours of work. So I need to plan for November and the December as well. Okay, so how to plan? It's very simple, very easy. This is in the left hand panel, I see the entire syllabus. So what I do, I just drag and drop whatever the topic. So I will start from, maybe I can start from, let's say, type of drawing tools, or maybe I can start from introduction of the basic computers. Obviously, let me start with the introduction of basic computers, and the first topic I will cover here, and just drop there. Okay, see, I dropped this topic, but here I could not see any planned hour. It's still 0 0. Okay, why it's like that? Because I have not assigned any hours to this topic. Okay, so let's have a change. Let's make changes here in syllabus repository. And let's go to syllabus repository. Mm, syllabus. Okay, let me go to syllabus content management here, where I can change the R's of this topic, and we'll see the difference here. Okay, so okay, here we go. Here I need to select my course, and I will select my subject CAD 3 and click on go to syllabus. This is my syllabus. The first chapter is introduction to basic computer, and the first topic is explaining the format of respective software. So here there's a teaching hours, there's a self learning hours. Okay, so if I click on teaching hours, let's just say 1, okay, 1 hour. Or if I go in a second topic, I just put, let's say, 0.3. Okay, so it means 30 minutes. Okay, and if I go to the topic number, chapter number 2, type of drawing tools, I will put 0.4. Okay, and type of editors, I just say put 0.2. Okay, well, so I've just added timings for each topic here. And let me go back in academic planner. So let me delete these things, and let me refresh. So to get the updated syllabus repository, again, go to the demo class, and I will select my subject CAD 3. Let's go to month of November. And now here I drag and drop. And yes, now if you see, I can see 1 means 1 hour, and the plan hour is 1, and timetable hour is 4. Okay, so actually ideally I should plan for 4 hours. I could plan little higher side as well, I could plan little less as well. Okay, but the benchmark is 4. Basically I have given a 4 hours in month of November. It subject to subject, it's a person to person, it's a methodology to methodology, it could be different. Sometimes some people always try to plan for more number, and sometimes for some subjects people are intentionally plan quite less hours of the work than the allocated, because they are expecting there are a lot of discussions, a lot of new topics will come out while we am in a class. Okay, so let's say this is the first topic I'll plan. It's a 1 hour topic. Then let me just drag and drop second topic. Okay, so it's 1.3. So looks like yeah, little bug here. Okay, just 10.30, it should be changed. Okay, it should be 1.3 hours. Okay, so 0.13 hours, we need to fix that. Okay, and let's say I will plan the second topic. Okay, and here, so looks like in my instance I have a little bug. So just all of these things here, it should be ideally the exact number. It should be there. Okay, so this is the way we can plan. Okay, and now I will go. These are the basically not scheduled lecture. Okay, now I'll go to month of December, and I can plan for the month of December as well. So I just say drag and drop. Okay, and pick up, and I can plan the topics the way I want. Okay, so let me plan. These are the 3 topics I've planned for the month of December. Okay, month of November, 4 topic. A month of December, sorry, a month of November, 3 topics. Same December, 3 topics. Okay, and these all are just plan. I have just planned for it. Okay, and uh, once I will move forward, uh, how can I use this further buttons basically, and what is the significance of this button? We'll look at that. But before that, let's go to the lesson planning, because academic planner is very much attached with the lesson planning. Okay, so the entire concept is this: before start of the month, or before start of my uh, lectures, I should plan for the entire month of November and December, so I can make the necessary changes, plus and minus, while I am there on my learning schedule. Okay, so it's a very much important aspect, and everybody should plan their lessons, sorry, not lessons, but the topics quite in advance. Okay, by the way, you can use this delete button to remove these things, and you can do drag and drop again. Okay, this strike through means we already plan. These are the things these are the left topics which we need to plan further in upcoming months. Well, so now let's go to lesson plan. Okay, Well, I'm at lesson plan right now, and this is my current week. I have no schedule. Let me go to the next week. Yes, and next week I can see the four lecture has been assigned to me 9 to 10. Okay, and let me do the lesson planning. So I already done my academic planning for the month of November and December in advance. So now it's a time for lesson planning. These are two different activities. The academic planner is activity we should do a month advance, or maybe 2 month advance, the 3 month advance, at least a month advance. Okay, so let's assume that in my institutes we are doing academic planning, it's month advance. So that's the first activity. Now, activity number two, the lesson planning. So ideally, lesson planning should be done at least a 2 or 3 day in advance. And we should inform students that what we're going to cover in next upcoming 2 to 3 classes. Okay, so yeah, so people are generally doing lesson planning for a month in advance, 2 month in advance. No, that's not recommended at all. If one lecture, let's say, if we plan for the entire 1 month or 2 month, and I'm in a class and I'm trying to cover a topic today, and because of certain reason maybe we could not cover up, or maybe student ask a lot of other questions, we end up into the going into the different directions and cover a couple of extra topics, or maybe the class has been changed, or maybe class has been cancelled, the entire lesson planning will be jeopardized. Okay, so we cannot, no one can predict 1 month in advance for the complete lesson planning, and therefore the academic planner is there. We can predict how much, or we can plan how much we want to like to cover in a 1 month, but lesson planning we should not do for the advance for a month or two. Okay, so therefore the ideal way to is do the lesson planning for 2 or 3 days in advance and let the student know that what we're going to cover. Okay, so here on Tuesday, let's see, I just clicked on Tuesday, and let me try to pick up a topic for my first lecture. So I just clicked here to select from syllabus repository. I just clicked here, and this entire syllabus has been opened, but I should go to the monthly planner, and here I will see the my November and December month. Okay, and these are the plan topic. Okay, so let's say, let me pick up first thing. Okay, and I just say ed. Okay, so I select first topic for the first lecture, and just say plan and do not publish. Okay, so that's it, done. And now I will just say publish. Okay, once I done with my planning, okay, I just need to click on publish, so my student will be able to see the planning. So just clicked on publish, so student will see this. Okay, now let me go to the academic planner and let's see what has happened, what changes has been done there because of this lesson planning. What's there at academic planner? So I go to my demo class, and I go to the CAD 3, and if I go to the November, here I see the 3 topic has been planned. Now if I go to the month of November, and yes, here is the change. Can you see these things? This has been changed into the not scheduled to schedule. The first topic has been changed into the schedule. And can you see the date has been there? The 24th November. We have scheduled on 24th November. Okay. Yeah. So the rest of the topics are not scheduled yet. This topic has been scheduled. The first topic has been scheduled. Okay. So yes, this is the way it will gonna work. Okay, now let's assume that I will go to class on today is, let's assume today is an 11th and sorry, 24th November, and I will go to the class, and I will try to start with explaining formats and uh, explaining formats of mm, the respective softwares. But let's say, as an example, I'm in a class and I started discussing with the students, and there are a lot of basic queries from the student side, and we discussed a lot of new things about CAD 3. What is a CAD? What is the advanced level of CAD 3? What is CAD 3? Okay. And I end up the class with a couple of extra topics. What I do, I just clicked on edit, okay, and just say advanced CAD 3 discussion. Okay, so this is the extra topic which we have covered. Okay, I'm just giving an example. Okay, so just excuse me. So let's say I just added some extra topic and just say update. Okay, that's it. So in my class, I have conducted two topics. So by the way, this topic is not part of syllabus repository. This is something extra which we have discussed and covered. Okay, so now I go to my academic planner. Let me just refresh. Okay, and let's see what is the impact there. So just demo class, and I will go to the cat tree, and let me go to the November month. And yes, if you can see, I got a extra topic which is there on 24th November, and that's advanced CAD, and there's no hours, just extra topics. Okay, so that's there. Okay, so extra topic which you covered will automatically record it here, and yeah, that's nice way to record all the extra topics which we have covered. Okay, well, so this is schedule, this is extra topics on 24th November. Now let's assume I'm at 24th November and I done my class. So after the class, I should just say mark covered. So just click here and just say mark covered. That's it. So this is a very important button. After every lecture, if I cover this topic, I should click on mark cover. I should click on mark cover. Now let me go to the academic planner, and let's see what the changes it would be there uh, when we clicked on mark covered. So I go to the academic planner again. Now, if you can see, can you see this covered topic? Previously, it was 0. Now, after clicked on mark cover, it's now one topic. I've covered one topic. After 21 topic, 6 has been planned, one is covered. Now, if I go to month of November, okay, can you see? It's been changed into the schedule to covered. It has been changed from schedule to cover. Okay, so this also the extra topic has been covered, and this is a thumb icon. Just say cover. Just say cover. So that's the entire, very very innovative way with working with academic planner and lesson planning. Let's try up one more thing. Okay, so I will go to the lesson planning again. Okay, and let's say the next day, I have planned, let's say, okay, that's good. If you see here, I clicked on select, see, I let me repeat it, in case if you have not noticed that. See, I want to plan here for this lecture, so I clicked here and again clicked here on the syllabus repository to select the topics, and I automatically get a monthly planner. And if you see, um, this thing's explaining it's a schedule. Okay, so let me refresh the page. So instead of schedule, it will change into the cover. It should change into the cover. So month of November, I will go to my next week. I clicked here on this box. Let me click on syllabus repository, go to the monthly planner, and yes, here we see in month of November, this two topic is already covered. Okay, and December, these are the plan. These are the plan. Okay, so let me pick up the planned one. Okay, which is a type of images, and I will uh, again allowed to collect. I'm again allowed to select the topics which is already covered. So let me select that as well. So let's see what going to happen. So I select the topic which is already covered. So I'm almost kind of repeating this topic in a subsequent second lectures. Okay, so just a plan and do not publish. Yeah, so this is the topic. The explaining the formats of the respective software, blah blah blah. So which I already planned here and covered here, and then again I'm scheduling this lecture. So let's see. Let's go to the academic planner and see what the changes there. So I will go to the demo class. I will go to the K3, and let me go to the month of November. Yes, here you see. So this is the explaining the format of the respective blah blah blah. The same topic I'm going to repeat. It's going to repeat it on 25th November. Okay, and this the type of images has been scheduled on 24th November. It's a scheduled, and this is going to be repeated. Okay, yeah. So whenever you are feel free to select your topics again. Okay, and if you select again, system will marked as repeated. So this is very much important. Let's say I have a topic, let's say types of drawing tool. It's a topic, and I wanted to cover this topic as a for the 3 lectures. And if I keep on scheduling the same topic again and again for 3 lectures, system says that it's a repeat, repeat, repeat. But actually, it's not a repeat. It ideally going to take 3 hours for me to cover this topic. So the right way, theoretically and practically as well, is to break down this topic, the type of drawing tools, into 3 subtopics. In a very simple things, I can say the type of drawing tools, introduction, type of drawing to blah blah blah, something discussing something, and type of the drawing tool for the part 3. So part 1, part 2, part 3. If there is a topic which we want to like to cover as a part of 3 lectures, or maybe more than 4 lectures, or more than 1 lectures at least, okay, then we need to break down that topic into the 2 part, 3 part, 4 part respectively. Okay, so it's basically it's a splitting technology. We have to split. We have to logically split every part, every topic at least to, it should be fit in a 1 lecture. Yeah, if the one topic is subsequently carry forward into the next lecture, then we can just say that it's just carry forward. That is okay, but ideally we should break the topics if it is spamming across the lectures. Yeah, so that is about academic planner and the lesson planning. It's a wonderful tool, and generally it is not recommended, but even we can directly click here and mark as covered or mark as covered. But if you start using these things, then there is a no purpose of using lesson planning. Okay, so this is for those people, those institutes who are really not using lesson planning at all, and they just using academic planner. They just go and drag and drop, and at end of the month they just review and just mark as covered, 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 not covered. For those people, they should directly use this tool. Otherwise, we should use the combination of academic planner and the lesson plan. In case further, if you have any queries, questions, suggestions, feel free to reach us. You can reach out your respective support team, or you can reach out to us at support@educloud.in in order to further discuss about these things. And we are happy to, and we love to listen your question and queries. Thank you. Bye.